Right guys, Will here from ZaltekReviews.com. Quick double unboxing today. Got the camera zoomed out as far as it'll go and the tripod as high as it'll go, so bear with me. Right, we'll do this one first. I know what the watches are. In fact, let me zoom in a bit. Hang on. Right. Where to start? Right. Come on, for fuck's sake. Right, finally. Right, what we got then? It's from Joe Watch Company. Don't need that. Let's see what they sent me then. It's a box in a box. Warranty card. Kind of steel. Metal at least. And there we have it. A second, I'll get this out. Jesus. I'll put it down there because the lighting's terrible. I can't even remember what the name of this is. Eh? Right, let's go on to the next one then. Aye. I'll have a look at that in better detail later on. Right, let's see what's in this one. In fact, I don't know what's in it. But it'll be the first time I've seen it in real life, rather than just pictures online. Let me sharpen this knife. It smells like a butter knife in it. There we go. And it's got about £14 worth of blimmin' sellotape on it. I think you probably know what this is already, don't you? Rival! Fucking sellotape. You need to stop doing this, guys, there's no need. Right, I actually bought this. This isn't sponsored. After I reviewed the original one, the one they did send me, I was like, I'm buying that. What's this shit? Receive $20 cash voucher. Alright, smashing. And obviously, as you probably guessed, about the white one. Apparently there's only 20 of these available. When the watch, I mean, I really like to watch when I reviewed the one they sent me, the prototype. But I wanted the white one, obviously. Totally unique design. This, well, it's not unique, it's the Dirty Dozen style, isn't it? But the way they've executed it, it's a lot different to what I'm usually seeing. And this time, obviously I got it on bracelet. So one I reviewed just came on a 2-piece strap. But this looks nice. Very nice. Apparently this is it a full lume dial? Let's see, shall we? There's my torch. Oh, there it is. Right, let's turn these wee lights on. It is. Nice. Sweet. We'll size that up later today and take a couple of wrist shots and stick it on my Instagram. You'll see my address for Instagram on screen. Right guys, just a quick video. I apologise about the poor quality. Nothing written, no notes, no nothing, just me opening a couple of boxes. Right guys, I'll see you in the next video. Toodles.